Hello, and thanks for purchasing the LDG Electronics Z11ProII 100-watt automatic antenna tuner. This instructional video series will show you how to install and use your Z11ProII. Your Z11ProII may be used with any 100-watt HF radio. Optional interface cables for ICOM and Yaesu radios make tuning even easier, but for now, we'll show you how to use the Z11ProII with any generic HF radio. Installation is quick and easy. First, turn off your radio. Connect a 50 ohm coax jumper from the antenna jack on the rear of the radio to the TX jack on the rear of the Z11ProII. Next, connect your antenna's feedline coax to the jack marked ANT on the rear of the Z11ProII. LDG recommends that you connect the Z11ProII to your station ground using the provided wing nut marked ground shown here. Finally, connect the supplied DC coax plug to the jack marked power. Connect this cable to a source of 7 to 18 volts DC. Red is positive, black is negative. The Z11ProII's front panel has 6 push buttons and 4 LEDs. The push buttons have primary and secondary functions. The primary function is printed above the button, and the secondary function is printed below the button. To activate a button's primary function, simply press that button. To activate the secondary function, first press the function button, then press the desired button. The LEDs will cycle like this to show the function key is active. If no button is pushed for a few seconds, function mode will cancel. Let's begin by setting the Z11ProII for fully automatic tuning. To do this, press the function button, then the C-down/auto button. The LEDs will display this pattern to indicate that fully automatic tuning is engaged. If the LEDs display this pattern, however, it means that semi-automatic tuning is active. Simply press function and C-down/auto again to toggle back to full auto mode. Now that we are in full auto mode, tuning is easy. Turn on your radio. The Z11 Pro will automatically begin tuning anytime the SWR exceeds a preset threshold. Simply key your radio, and then wait for the tuning cycle to complete. If you're tuning in sideband mode, you'll need to talk while the tuner is tuning. Once the tuning cycle has completed, the front panel LEDs will cycle like this to indicate a good match was found. During normal operation, the LEDs on the Z11 Pro will be off during receive and will light up during transmit to indicate the SWR level. This indication shows an SWR level of less than or equal to 1.5 to 1. This shows SWR between 1.5 and 1.7 to 1. Here SWR is between 1.7 and 2 to 1. Between 2 and 3 to 1. And finally, this indication shows SWR greater than 3 to 1. Whenever a tuning operation is in progress, the red tune light also lights up. To bypass the Z11ProII, press the tune button momentarily. All 4 LEDs will flash 3 times to indicate bypass. Press the tune button momentarily again to return to active mode. All 4 LEDs blink once. Well, that covers basic operation of the Z11ProII. In the remaining videos in this series, we'll show you how to interface directly to ICOM and Yaesu radios using the optional radio interface cables, which simplifies tuning on those radios. We'll also show you how to use the Z11 Pro II's advanced features.